Very good morning students everyone. Today thermodynamic topic I am going to explain in that one. That the concept is S law of constant heat submission. This is a very important question for 2 mark question. 2 marks. This is a question 2 marks in the board exam. Their previously a lot of time they give the exam. A repeated question, it is very important the board exam point of view. Please careful in this question. S law. What does it mean by S law? Now what does it mean by S law? The S law, to explain the mean by S law means the heat energy released or absorbed in a process is the same. The heat energy released or absorbed in the process is same whether the process occurs in one step or several steps in is called as S law. S law is a very important question for the board exam. Carefully I am going to revise one more time. The energy released or absorbed in a process is the same whether the process is completed in one step or the several steps. This is called as S law. When the chemical reaction is completed in the reaction, that reaction will be completed in only one step or several steps. This is called as S law. Now according to S law, according to S law, the heat energy released or absorbed in a process it depends on only on the initial state and final state. It depends on initial state and final state, but not on the path of the system. The process will be happen. And also the S law is applicable for applicable for first law of thermodynamics. Otherwise or law of Law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. And also according to first law, according to S law, the S law is an applicable physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes also. It is applicable for physical and chemical changes. Now, for example, A change to B, that is the energies Q1. B change to C is Q2. C change to D is Q3. But total change, but there is several steps. One step, first step, second step, third step. But direct step, the A change to D is the Q energy. The reaction will complete only one step, energy is Q, or there's first step, second step, third step, step 1, step 2 and step 3. They complete several steps, the energy is equal to also same. This is called S law. Now I am writing here it is the energy released or absorbed. Q is equal Q1 plus Q2 plus and Q3. It is equal to energy, means absorbed and reduced energy, the steps in the different steps are only one step, it is the same. Now I am going to explain that is